Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Groton with Herbalife. There's no shortage of supplements today, but figuring out what your body actually needs can sometimes feel like guesswork. And with so many options, it's not always easy to know which nutrients are right for you and your goals. This is where Bioniq GO comes in, a personalized nutrition approach that's designed to match you with a formula based on your wellness assessment without any guesswork. As you answer a few questions on a wellness assessment about your lifestyle, activity level, and individual wellness goals, your formula is adjusted to one of 40 science-backed micronutrient combinations. So whether your focus is beauty wellness, cognitive function, sports and performance, or long-term well-being, Bioniq GO provides targeted micronutrient support aligned with your specific goals. Bioniq GO is delivered in a customized Swiss granule format designed to mimic the nutrient absorption process of fruits and vegetables. Take 2 scoops daily, and we recommend to follow with cold water or tea after taking the product directly from the spoon. You can also spoon into a yogurt or enjoy with a healthy shake. Just keep from blending or chewing the granules to maintain their absorption properties. Bioniq GO fits seamlessly into your existing Herbalife routine, providing personalized micronutrient support as an all-in-one replacement for your vitamin and mineral supplements without replacing our broad-based nutrition products. Simply take your wellness assessment, get your personalized formula delivered to you, and take once daily, anytime, anywhere. Bioniq GO represents the future of nutrition, personalized, convenient, and designed to support your wellness journey. Take your assessment and get started today.